Rose Reisman is here. How to stay healthy at every age, which is so important.
And you know, Dina, we have parents and grandparents, and the biggest concern for me when I got married was my mother. She was single. Who was going to cook for her? And in the beginning, it was fine, but then slowly but surely, I would go to her fridge. There wouldn't be enough there because nobody wants to chop for one person. So what happens? Let's take a look at what should be in everybody's fridge. Great proteins, vegetables. You should have all of this there. But if you look at somebody that lives alone,
it's hard.
It's ketchup and it's mustard. Or this is the route people go, fast food. And this is why, especially as you're getting older, not only weight, because sometimes seniors don't eat enough, they have toast and tea, or they eat too much, they get overweight, leads to diabetes type 2, arthritis, dementia, salt intake, everything. So then you might go to the supermarket, and this is classic, and I want to show you, it really looks poor quality to me. This is what you will see in the supermarkets and frozen meals.
I call it graze. It's the great beige.
I love that. Look, you're absolutely right. Gravy, I don't even know what everything is. Not very nutritious, not enough to eat, and I mean that's like fried chicken and sitting in tons of gravy. So I decided about a year ago to develop a line from Personal Gourmet, which is frozen entrees, and I just said, you know what, people aren't that organized. They might cook one night, they might not, but raising 4 children, I actually even sent 2 of them to university packages, frozen meals. I said, tell me what you like, stock it in your freezer, so next time you're going to go down and eat the pizza, and tomorrow night you're going to be eating pizza, please, I beg of you, eat one night healthy.
Healthy and well balanced. And you do fresh or you do frozen deliveries for every single meal, or you can choose just dinner, for example. So let's start with a healthy breakfast.
So first of all, we don't give you the plates and the forks. It comes in a container like this. These are actually beautiful waffles with pears, dried cranberries. Comes in a black container like this, but this is oven-proof, Dina. You can pop it in your micro toaster oven or an oven for 10 minutes to heat it up. So here, now where would you get this? You have a beautiful omelet already made. We could use egg whites for people that are watching their cholesterol, brie cheese, a little bit of mushrooms, toasted whole grain muffin, potatoes and tomatoes I've added myself. And I always tell people, put it on a plate so you feel like you're really eating.
That's right, and add your own little fruits and veg.
All right, so lunches or dinners. So this is, and also when you think about seniors, I forget about the meatloaf and mashed potatoes. Seniors today are cool and they're trendy. So they should be eating, here's shrimp with some feta cheese, Israeli couscous for them, vegetables, zucchini, and we really had to work hard at testing those vegetables that would freeze well so you wouldn't end up with a puddle of water.
The water content.
Right? Okay, so great meal here.
That looks like a restaurant quality
and
dish.
I find that I tell our customers, put it on a plate, you'll feel better about yourself. Here, soup. So we send them in just a Ziploc bag, frozen. This is a beautiful split pea soup. Comes like this, put in a nice plate. And here for our beef lovers, we have a flank steak with edamame. So sometimes we get singles going, what's this edamame? It's like a delicious green bean. Just enjoy it. But you've got protein in there and more fiber. With the grilled bell peppers, which is beautiful. And then over here, our favorite, people love this, chicken parmesan. Roasted oven potatoes, not fries, grilled zucchini and carrots. Here we have some tilapia with a saffron rice. I mean,
it's balanced, it's healthy. You have your protein, your vegetable, your starch.
You got it. Meatballs and noodles over there, a piece of salmon. So people look and they say, well, it can't look this good. But you know what? When it comes in the package, it does look that good. But what I love is that there's no wastage. So, as a parent now, I look at my mother-in-law, for instance, and I worry how what's in her fridge, and I don't want to feel that I'm pressuring her. So I sent her a bunch of these. I said, you know what, Ruth, whenever you can't get out or there's a snowstorm, just put it in the micro, put it in there.
And or you just don't have the energy that day to try and prepare something fresh. And what is this, Rose?
Okay, so we send dessert squares because you gotta have dessert. So this is a blueberry crisp. These are all lighter and lower fat, and this is my favorite, a mocha brownie cheesecake. They come 4 in a package, frozen. You can just cut it away, repackage it, have 1 at a time. And you know what? I mean, Adina, in the end, like a meal will cost you anywhere between $6.95 and $8.95.
Amazing value.
It's affordable, and you're not getting all the sodium, all the fat,
and portion control, because you have your little plate. And you know when you're done, wait for your body to tell you that you're full rather than going back into the pantry for something else, because that's enough.
And people ask us, they say, well, I'm bigger, I'm smaller, how many calories? We put you on a calorie control program.
So depending on your size.
Absolutely, your exercise level, the whole thing.
Your diet restrictions. Okay, very good. For more information, everybody, because I know we always get a ton of questions about this, rosereisman.com, and Twitter as well, at Rose Reisman. As well, pick up Choose It and Lose It. It's in stores right now. Bon appetit. Thank you so much, Rose.
Thank you.
We'll be back with more BT right after this. This looks delicious.